What's going on, guys?
Nothing.
I didn't get it.
Happy birthday, Toly. I think you will see it in the daytime. I think he actually really thought about this. Look, can you block my view? I can actually leave it on here and drive. Happy birthday, Toly. Happy birthday, Viola, what do you gotta tell him? Viola, you tell him you forgot to wrap it in dollar bills. Yuri, the paper, this paper that you wrap the van, I won't be able to print the dollar bills.
Yes, you can. That's the thing.
Oh, you have to bleach it. Oh, got it. Thank you, brother. How awesome was 2 a.m. for you?
We're gonna check the camera.
Oh man, I swear it's really in a rush.
So did you went up to the front porch and you left some what's it called
Balloons?
balloons?
No.
Why are you laughing?
Because I'm still remembering how it all happened. It was so funny. Do you like your cactus?
Yeah, but you got me gloves and cactus. It's like you want me to get hurt at the same time, and then you don't want me to get hurt at the same. Gloves, you grab the cactus, and then cactus bites me and pinches me and stuff like that, you know?
Did you look inside the gloves?
No?
Look inside the gloves.
Uh-oh.
Okay. All right, hold on a
Where's
second.
the gloves?
I can see the van.
We're gonna look into the gloves. There's something there. I don't know.
Man, they fell a couple times. Hopefully nothing came out.
The gloves fell a couple times. Hopefully nothing fell out.
I don't think it will. It's a definite. It's stuck in there.
Oh. Okay. Let me see. I think he wants me to put them on first, right? Okay. You know what? Let me see if I can. Definitely protects a little bit more.
Okay.
Another one.
Oh.
Oh!
Was it it? Or how was it?
It was like this! I thought it was something else!
Tag?
Yeah!
I saw.
It was like this! I saw it the whole time!
Oh. I didn't
Okay.
even pay attention either.
Alright, bro, so I gotta find out how much is in here.
That's why he was in Home Depot this morning.
Ah.
We were stalking you, Yuri.
Yuri,
again.
we were trying to stalk you today. Okay. Time to go spend some money. I mean, gift card.
Right.
Thank you, brother.
Like a bubble.
Hey guys, Toly's Detailing Family Vlogs here again. Today, I just went and go ahead and just skipped all the washes, all the maintenance, all the detailing that we did, and going into some maintenance work and repair work that need to go into this. One of the few issues with this ProMaster, I guess the rear spare tire. I don't know if you want to call it a lifter, holder, or whatever it is. The mechanism breaks inside, so it doesn't want to lower and lift your spare tire. My spare pressure washer, I'm going to be doing a replacement of the pump unit. The whole assembly, not just the water manifold, but the whole assembly of the pump. Well, let's go ahead and dive right into it, and let's go ahead and just dive right into it. Look what happened with this old guy. So it looks like the bearing cap came off. Cap, sealer type deal. This is no part to do with the actual pump. So anyways, I took off the manifold a long time ago because the manifold was good. Yeah, which is this part right here. And let's go look on the inside. So the oil just came out of here, leaked through this hole, which is kind of at the bottom right here. On the inside, it pretty much got messed up. Nice and level. So now I'm back with a good spare pressure washer pump. Let me just go ahead and take this back to the shop, and then I'll continue with that piece.
Found you.
Was it that hard to find me? I'm wearing a white shirt to be noticeable.
So
I should have worn orange.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How you been? It's been a long time.
Hey guys, this is Toly with Toly's Detail on Family Vlogs. Some tire dressing.
Doing what he does best, yeah? Ладно, там колесо.
Ты же тоже на по-украински или по-русски добавить?
Yes, because встидилися.
This quarantine stuff making me hairy again.
Oh my goodness, yes.
This, you know, it's not...
That's your fault.
Yeah.
You can take care of that.
But this, my wife said multiple times, come on, let me give you a buzz. And we kind of agreed on it, but guess what?
Found the target.
Never got into it. Like,
maybe today, maybe when we come home earlier.
I don't know, babe. We're still out here doing our stuff during the hard times of the situation. Babe, what's the situation again?
The situation.
What's the situation?
I don't want to talk about it.
Yeah. Somewhat kind of like a virus. And somewhat kind of, you know, some media is over exaggerating things, but
Yeah.
still, you know, still it is what it is. But
Enjoying the smell?
oh yeah, the chicken coop around the corner.
There's chickens over
It
there.
smells
Factory.
so bad all the time. Oh my gosh.
It's horrible.
Yeah. I think when you need deals on chicken, that's where you go.
Ew, no. Gosh.
Why? I just thought they're gonna break you a deal, you know, since they deal with so
As
many
long as I don't
chickens.
smell it.
So, anyways, I kind of installed already
What did you install?
my
Oh.
tire rack
Oh, you can see from
holder.
here.
Oh, you good? Come down.
Did
see
you
the
vlog
tire.
about it?
Tire. I put a hyperlapse.
Oh, okay.
The issues that people, I guess, are when they're trying to lower it, instead of, you know, turning it counterclockwise, they turn it clockwise. Over tighten it breaks the gears inside because for some reason I'm thinking there's plastic inside. That's the only thing that makes sense. That's why it breaks. But yeah, some of those things I already did. You know, I have the soap line all the time.
Yeah.
And sometimes when you get a bubble, inside the line. It takes a while for the soap to come out. So this is going to be an updated feature.
What is that?
It's a pump, but it's not connected. I had to find one that doesn't push a lot of gallons.
Eraser.
So yeah, this one was like 0.7, so it's not even a gallon that it pushes per minute, and that's what I need. I don't need a lot of gallons. I just need kind of need to push a little bit of soap through the line so I can, you know, start getting foam faster than have to wait there for, you know, a second or two.
Just for a second or two, you got
Yeah, it waits
wow.
you wait longer than that, by the way.
Okay. All right. Next stop after this.
Third, 10th stop it
Second?
is. And then, so today we're supposed to receive more packages for the Mazda.
Oh, is it the final one or no?
I don't know, because we're missing 3 items from previous order.
From the first
Never
order.
came. No, I placed like already 4 or 5 orders from them. But the recent one.
The
that we
recent
did.
first order, yeah.
Yeah, and we're still waiting on that. And they just sent out the second order that I placed. And then we're also waiting on the hood. You know what would be really nice? If they sent out the hood with this order.
But did he tell you it was approved, the
He
claim?
said it's approved. I already talked to
okay.
me. He said, not approved, he said we're doing it. I'm sending you a new hood. That's what he said. I'm telling you, they're cool. They're cool.
He's a nice guy.
Yeah.
All right.
No,
Okay,
please
bye.
say
Okay, bye.
bye. Okay.
Toly did something awesome with the van. He actually detailed his own van, just the front end of it. Got the wipes up in here. Look how nice it is. Oh, I wish it could last. Clean. He never conditioned it ever since he got it, so. We got a hand sanitizer. It's such a cute bottle, look. Oh my gosh, how did he stick it in there? Fragrance free, it's actually really awesome. You can advertise on a Toly that you're a detailer. You know the saying goes, a shoemaker without shoes. That's how it always is. The details cars are gonna be dirty. Not necessarily dirty, just, you know. And he said he washed all the seats, which I was telling him, you know, they kind of stink, you know, we're always sweating and sitting in here, it really stinks. And he did it one Saturday, he went and he cleaned it all. He wants to remove this whole seat and like pressure wash everything underneath and yeah, clean this area. That's still work in progress. This is done. Oh, good job, Toly.
Our last stop. Got the Audi S6. The Denali already left. So yeah, this is what happens when you're trying to make it go fast. You don't have enough time to make the videos or anything. That looks pretty good. Looks good.
Какая чайка красивая.
What? Babe, I feel pregnant now. So anyways,
Say shout out to your mom and dad.
it's like 6:19. Can you see it? No?
Yeah, I can see.
So brother Jura, he's trying to holler at me. Why do you say Roseville? It's in Antelope. Once brother Toly and wife, he's done working.
You gonna drop me off so I can do homework with the kids?
No, babe, I'm gonna take you with me. You're gonna help me and Yuri unload some stuff.
Am I really burnt?
How would the job go without you, babe? I don't get it.
Am I really burnt? See, this time
You have to turn around. It's more in the back.
Oh, okay, right there. Actually, I do because I have all these spots that keep coming out.
Fossil?
What?
What's a fossil?
Spots.
Alright, let me holler at Yuri. Yes. Alright, so anyways, if anything, I gotta finish up munching here and I'll come out and help you out with that. What is it called?
Shebang bang.
Yeah, but
Artificial grass.
artificial grassamundo. Alright, bro.
Yeah.
I'll see you in a bit.
Artificial grass on Monday. Alright, man.
Alright.
Until you become the grass man. The grass job of the week.
Okay, so Brother Yuri needs Brother Toly's van
He's using you.
to eat some of these crunch things. To go pick up some of the stuff.
What are you,
Look at the package. Look. Doesn't it say today, right?
in transit, yeah, by 8 p.m.
Look. Can you see the date on my phone?
6:23.
No, date.
Oh, it's farther away. It's better. April 27.
6:23. They're lying. I'm waiting for my parts for the Mazda. They don't want to give it to me.
Cat and mouse game.
Huh?
Cat and mouse game with this parts.